What's up, everybody? My name is Darius. I'm from Illinois. I'm an independent drummer. Man, when I was 2 years old, I just grabbed pot and pans and just been playing ever since then. I fell in love with drums even more when I sat in church and watched some great drummers before me play. I was 8 years old when I was gifted and blessed with the opportunity to play for my church for 10 years. It was great. I had a great time doing it. My experience was even better. So after that, I kind of went more independent and started doing things on my own. And I love playing every single day when I can. It's a blessing, and I'm so thankful that I'm here right now to talk about these great drumsticks from Collision. I got the 7AR, which are the reach versions. They're thin, they're light, and for me, I like to sit a little bit further from the drum set. So these are very good for me. I can just reach in and anything hit, whichever cymbal, anything I need to hit with ease. These are very durable. They just look beautiful, man. They're just straight fire. I'm thankful for these. Thank you, Collision, for sending these to me as well. So you need to pick yourselves up some. Good prices and everything. They're great. So now I'm gonna put these to good use and play a song off my album called Vibe With Me, which I released not that long ago. I'm playing a song called Praise Thee, one of my favorites on the whole album that I made. It's just a blessing to be able to do this. I'm so grateful. So please sit back, relax, listen, and vibe with me.